Hi, I'm Lorna Illingsworth, an independent financial advisor for Protection Investment Southampton. Today we're going to talk about estate planning. Estate planning is about safeguarding your property and assets so your loved ones are secure. It can cover a wide range of areas, from inheritance tax and capital gains tax planning to business continuity if you run your own company. It's not just about money, it's also about making sure your wishes are followed and your family is looked after. None of us like to think about dying, but when the time comes, you'll want the reassurance that your financial affairs are in order and your loved ones won't be left with unnecessary stress. Estate planning gives you control and peace of mind, and the best time to start is when you're in good health and able to make these important decisions yourself. Estate planning allows you to decide who will receive your assets, how much they will receive, and when. It protects your wealth, ensures your wishes are carried out, and avoids the rigid rules of intestacy, where the state decides who inherits. If you die without a will, the law takes over. Your estate is distributed according to strict rules, starting with your spouse or civil partner and then your children. If you have none, it moves to other relatives. This means that unmarried partners, close friends, or charities that you may care about could inherit nothing. So a will is the only way to make sure your wishes are followed. A carefully written will not only ensures your assets go where you want them to, but it can also help protect your family wealth from disputes. With proper planning, you may also reduce inheritance tax by gifting assets during your lifetime or setting up trusts. However, it's important to understand that legal rights can override a will in certain cases, so professional advice is vital. Your will isn't a one-time task. It needs to be kept up to date. Life events such as marriage, divorce, having children, or buying a property should all trigger a review. Keeping your will current ensures your estate plan always reflects your circumstances. Trusts can be a valuable tool in estate planning, especially when concerned about passing on hard-earned assets to the next generation. They're also useful for leaving money to young children or vulnerable beneficiaries who may need help managing their inheritance. Inheritance tax can significantly reduce the value of what you leave behind. The current threshold, called the nil rate band, protects the first £325,000 of your estate. Anything above this is usually taxed at 40%. Married couples and civil partners can combine allowances, passing on up to £650,000 tax-free. There's also the residential nil rate band. This is an additional allowance that only applies when passing on property to direct descendants, such as children or grandchildren. This is currently £175,000 and can also be transferred between spouses and civil partners. Planning ahead with professional advice can save your family a great deal in tax. Estate planning isn't just about what happens after you pass away. A lasting power of attorney lets you appoint someone you trust to make financial or medical decisions if you lose capacity. It's a way of protecting yourself and your family during your lifetime as well as after. Choosing an executor is a key part of your plan. This is the person responsible for administering your estate, paying debts, and distributing assets. Some people choose a family member, while others prefer a professional or a neutral third party to avoid family disagreements. If you'd like to discuss estate planning, please call us on 02380 668 407 or visit our website.